get our own show.
Well,
How long do we got to be doing this till somebody decides that we're good enough? I mean, we're a commodity.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny King.
I'm Musclehead Ken, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro, here for your health.
That's right.
This is a kid-friendly show, though.
Kid-friendly show, yeah. Delete that last part. Bleep that out here for us. Okay, so today we are getting ready. We're back in Colorado. We've been snowed in for a couple of days. We had to dig our way out, so we're a little bit off our normal schedule, but we're in the kitchen.
That's a young man's job, that digging, that snow.
Man, you are not kidding. We're back in the kitchen. What are we making today, buddy? You remember?
He
He never remembers, and then he complains when I have
chicken, Thai chicken thing.
Korean grilled chicken breast.
Korean grilled chicken breast.
So you're gonna have to throw in a little greenage along with it, but we're gonna show you the protein. This is a little fun recipe, super healthy, and easy to make.
Yeah, that's our motto.
That's right. So when we come back, we're gonna show you the ingredients
and chef this thing up because it's getting dinner time around here in Colorado. All right, I gotta preface this whole thing by saying this is my brother's idea. It's terrible. He's got me going out in the snow to turn on the grill, and we don't have a tenderizer, so we're gonna have to figure out how to tenderize.
When I planned this recipe, I didn't know we were gonna get 4 feet of snow. First off.
And that worked out.
And I didn't realize that the recipe calls for a tenderizer, so we're gonna use some soup cans instead. We're innovating here.
All right, so let's walk you through the ingredients.
Yeah, exactly.
Chicken breast, we cut them in half because there are 3 big ones, so now there's 6 kind of medium-sized ones. Supposed to serve 5.
Yeah.
So we know that it's a little bit less than that because we got it set up for 6. We got soy sauce, light sodium, onion, scallions,
stevia,
that's right, garlic, minced garlic, cloves, ginger, and then sesame oil,
red pepper flakes,
and sesame seeds.
So when we come back, we're gonna prep the chicken. And this is where it could go off the rails. So, be prepared, because we don't have a meat tenderizer here in Colorado. We ordered one, so we'll have one the next time we need it, but...
you didn't tell them. The next thing you're gonna see is me tromping through the 3 feet of snow out here to try to get the grill on.
That's true. I am gonna be right behind Kevin the whole way as he goes out there.
My brother does
his way to the grill.
My brother's got a brainy idea.
Okay, so we didn't have a meat tenderizer, so we went and got a couple of soup cans.
So use your best chunky
sirloin
burger soup.
And then we're gonna pound these things flat. We want them to get them about a ½ inch
He's
thick.
got a little one here we can show as an example. And we're gonna pound it flat like the one next to it.
That feels pretty good.
So you don't need no fancy tenderizer.
Okay. Voila. How'd you do?
I'm still pounding. I think that's good.
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Okay, so what, are we just going to combine it all?
We're going to combine it all. Why don't you go get a spoon while I start combining it?
What do we need a spoon for? You can't just dump it in there?
We're going to have to mix all this stuff up. We got solids and we got liquids. So I'm going to put in the soy sauce, and the sesame oil, and start adding in the solids here. There's the stevia, and the sesame seeds. And can you spoon that out of there? Get that one. Okay, now the rest of this I think we can pour in. Red pepper flakes. Got some chiveage. And we got the yellow onion. Get that out of there. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up, and this is our marinade. And we're gonna, in the next shot, we're gonna pour a quarter basically of this into each of the bags. We're gonna reserve half of the marinade to go over the chicken as we're grilling it.
So look at that. It's not very much. It's kind of a thick, saucy kind of a thing.
Okay, bro, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna keep half of the marinade that we created for later.
Okay.
So spoon that in here, roughly half. We'll see, doesn't look like half. That's This is the way. This is how I get screwed every time we have dinner. He thinks he's split it in half. Yeah, that looks like half. Okay, now we're gonna set this aside for later.
Because when we grill it, we're gonna put that on top.
Exactly. So we're gonna marinate this chicken
with another half. Half of this.
Yeah, another half. So do the best you can. Not much to it. I'm gonna have to mush it around a little bit or something.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's enough.
Not much to that marinade.
Maybe we should use the whole amount and then redo another amount to put on top.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. Let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that. I don't think we have enough.
Half. And half. And then we're gonna make some off camera. We're gonna make some more of the marinade.
But we're gonna put this aside in the reefer.
Yeah, in the reefer for an hour, it says. So we're just basically kind of mixing it up now, making sure this marinade is kind of spread throughout. It's kind of a clean way of doing it. How'd you do?
My bag came open.
Oh. Well, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's put it away.
Okay. Following him out to the kitchen, to the grill.
Wow, it's cold out here, dude.
Buddy.
Oh, look at the bunny.
Look at all the snow. We got
a bunny.
Oh wow.
Snow bunny came in.
We got a.
Come on, buddy.
Okay, I'm coming.
I have a remote on my
on your grill.
On my grill, but it wanted me to turn it on. So it's on now. Look at that. She's firing up. It's got pellets in the thing, ready to go.
All right. On to the grill, baby. Okay, we've had our.
Okay, there's our meatloaf.
We've had our meat loafing in the fridge for about an hour.
We got our extra marinade.
We got a little extra marinade.
So I'm gonna bring this out.
Well, let me walk them through it before we get out there because it might be
you want to do a flyover?
Because yeah, we want to do a flyover too. So basically, we're gonna take these out, these marinated chicken breasts. We're gonna put them on the grill. We got it at 400. It said meat. The recipe said medium heat, so we're not sure. Maybe
that's a little probably warmer than medium,
but we're gonna put them on there, and they're supposed to be 2 to 3 minutes on one side. We turn them over, and then we're gonna spoon on the rest of the marinade on top, even if it drips through. And then we're gonna put them on this cutting board and bring it back.
It's kind of a thick marinade, so it should be fine. Set it right in the snow. I hope that's okay. And we're only going to be out here for a few minutes because he said it's a few minutes on each side is all. So I'm trying to get that one separated there. What happened? So we got 3 of these breasts cut up. I mean, remember we had 3 of them and we cut them into 6. Now we're cooking them up.
Don't fall over, buddy. Wow, okay. Well, that hasn't been 2 minutes yet, has it?
I don't think so, but I'm just letting it do its thing. That was it. I think we made a good call on doing the extra marinade.
How do we know when it's done?
Well, I kind of want to flip it again because I know it's not quite done. So it's going to get a little stiff as it cooks, but it's already cooled
it's too
off.
Thin to put
it's already cooled off, so we got to shut it because it's down to 250 because it's just so cold out here.
Yeah.
Right, and so leaving it open is not the thing. It's just having trouble. It was at 400 degrees, and in a pretty quick order here, it's down 150 degrees. So.
Okay. Okay, we got a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna flip them.
Okay, it definitely feels firmer.
More firm.
Yeah, more firm. Ah, that's pretty good.
And we'll give this another couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Make sure the chicken is done. Okay, let's check it. Let's pull one off and cut it in half and see if it's done.
That's still raw.
Okay.
I can tell because it's kind of flimsy.
So we'll give it a few more minutes, huh?
Yeah, we'll just flip them. They're getting better, but they just still feel, I mean, they start to feel a little more stiff. They don't feel so limp. Okay, we're back at it. Flipping them one last time just to make sure. They seems done to us. We've cut a couple of them. Yeah, it looks good. Look through. So we pulled it off the grill.
Wow, it looks good, buddy.
I had a minor technical difficulty outside. Yeah. I was taking this chicken in and I went to turn around and my shoe was stuck in the snow and my foot came out with that sock on it. And then I had to set it down in the snow to pick up my shoe. How does it taste?
Tastes good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You usually don't mind cutting me off when you just want to say something, so I thought,
Well, I'm trying to learn from my brother's mistakes.
wow.
They're good?
Oh yeah, I think it's really good.
I wish we had a little more marinade I could pour over the top. So that was the one thing I would tell
Well,
you.
you can taste the ginger. And
Yeah, for sure. But if we had a little more marinade we could pour over the top, that'd be awesome.
to save it for the final.
Yeah. If you're watching this, you're on YouTube already. Go over and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications and give us a big thumbs up.
And with that, Klar Brothers Bistro, here for your health.
Out.